Muhammad Ibrahim Jooyo was born on 13 August 1915 and died 9 November 2017. He born to Muhammad Khan Jooyo was a teacher, writer, scholar and Sindhi nationalist. He was born in the village of Abad near Laki, Gotri, Dadu, now in Jamshoro, Sindh, Pakistan. He was considered the living legend of Sindhi literature, who had written, translated and edited hundreds of books and brochures. He was affiliated with the Theosophical Society. On Wednesday, August 13, 2015, Jooyo entered centennial of his life. Jooyo received his early education from local village. He got education from Luki and San. He then passed his matriculation from Sindh Madrasatul Islam in 1934. In 1938, Jooyo passed BA from DG Sindh College, University of Bombay. He went to Bombay for TP education. Muhammad Ibrahim Jooyo was appointed as a teacher in Sindh Madrasatul Islam in 1941. He wrote a book entitled Save Sindh, Save the Continent. This work angered the administration authorities, causing a conflict with Pir Ilahi Bucks, who ordered Jooyo's removal from his job. However, he got a new job in Thatta Municipal High School. Later on, he was transferred to Hyderabad at Training College. He was appointed as Secretary of Sindhi Adabi Board in 1951. In 1961, Jooyo retired from his job. Again, he was offered the same job a number of times. He was Secretary of Sindhi Adabi Board till 1973. He was also involved with Sindh Textbook Board and served as Chairman of the Sindhi Adabi Board. Jooyo has translated and written a number of books. He had many translations of famous European books to his credit. He has been writing on Sindh and Sindhi for 70 years. In 2013, he received a literary award from the Pakistan Academy of Letters and also honorary degrees from the renowned universities. He had written many story books and textbooks for school children, prefaces, debates and a lot of essays. Jooyo was well learned about history of intellectual development of Europe by J.W. Draper. He also read diverse writers such as Plutarch, Rousseau, Chekhov and Brecht.